Welcome, dear listeners. In this module, we will discuss the mood of the poem A Boat Beneath a Sunny Sky by Lewis Carroll. Describe the mood of the poem. Now, if you would remember, in the first two stanzas of the poem, the poet seems quite happy. He misses that boat ride on a sunny evening with Alice and the other children. The poem also conveys a lazy and a dreamlike quality to it. The word lingering also supports that lazy quality. The first two stanzas depict the happiness of the poet. He remembers the echoes of their laughter and their talks. He is fond of the memories of Alice. But there is a shift in the mood of the poem in the third stanza, because now the poet realizes that his dear friend Alice will never be the same again. She has lost her childhood. She has lost her innocence. And this loss of childhood and innocence saddens the poet. Now that Alice has grown up, he realizes that she can never be the same again. She will never be that little Alice. But then he sees hope in the future children. He consoles himself that there will be future children like Alice, who will be eager to listen to his tale, who will listen to his tale innocently, just like Alice. But this hope also gets shattered. Why? Because he realizes that one day even these children are going to grow up just like Alice. These children will also drift away. They will also grow up and go away just like Alice. They won't be innocent anymore. And then he ends the poem, life, what is it but a dream? As he tries to convey that sometimes reality can be different from our dreams.